Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So I've been hearing about this Jonah Juice this, Jonah Juice that. I don't know who she is. I guess it's like a restaurant chain. I think it's like in the UK. I think there's some locations in New York. I was watching one of my favorite vloggers over the weekend and she made like a dupe on it. And I was like, I forgot that I was supposed to make this a couple months ago. So if you want to see how I made the Jonah Juice TUNACADO sandwich vegan, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. And as always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start out by making a pesto. Now I rarely make pesto and I'm trying to figure out why. Because I normally buy, like Trader Joe's has like a cashew, kale, basil pesto situation that and I buy it all the time when I want a pesto moment, but I need to start making pesto because it was obviously it's easy. Like I knew it was easy, but like I just haven't made it in years. Okay, so I had some basil. I have this vegan parmesan from Trader Joe's that I really like. Follow Your Heart also makes a really good one if you don't have a Trader Joe's, or you can leave it out. You can use nutritional yeast, whatever you want. It just adds like a little je ne sais quoi. I have some basil. I put like about a cup, whatever came in the package, and walnuts because I couldn't find pine nuts. I was even willing to buy pine nuts. You know how expensive pine nuts are? I don't know. Why are they so expensive? Is it because they're from heaven? Like, hello, what's going on? I just blended it together and I use a bunch of garlic because I love garlic. You can use less garlic. I have the recipe. Tweak it how you want. But if it does not come out the way that mine came out, because first of all, I've been here for how long with y'all? 3 years. Who's a liar? Somebody commented on one of my videos. She was like, oh, it came out grainy. This my vegan seafood boil. Babe, I don't know what you're talking about. Like, who is lying? Who is lying to you? So if you follow it and it don't, babe, I don't know, okay? So I'm trying to make my, it's time to make rather my little tuna thing. I make a chickpea tuna at least twice a month. It's just a nice little lunch with some cracker. Are you kidding me? So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now I added some parsley and some other stuff that I wouldn't normally add because I wanted to get it as close to like the Jonah Juice recipe, but I like the parsley lemon moment. And if you've been following me for a minute, you know I used to hate parsley. I still do. I don't know what it is, but like a curly parsley specifically, I don't mind it in certain things. Like when I make a griot or this was great. And the lemon just like cut the richness so beautifully. It was so good. Also, you know I'm gonna add me some sazon. Like I have to add sazon. Okay, so it was chickpeas, scallion, really because I had a bunch of it. You can use onion. Cilantro, some nori sheets to bring out a little, you know, seafood-like flavor. If you don't want to do it, then don't. And that's it. I mix it up. Okay, so time to use the bread. So if I had time, I was supposed to go to Aldi, but I couldn't make it work. But I did have these ciabatta rolls that I love buying from Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna flatten it, right? So I put some butter in the pan. You don't have to do this because let me tell you something. After I'm done with this video, I'm about to pack a little sandwich because I gotta go. I'm not doing this. So do with that information what you will, because it was fine. Like it was cute. I liked it for the aesthetic. Like look at it, it's flat, period. But like you should do it. It's in the recipe. I'm saying that like right now in a couple of seconds, like I'm not about to do that. Okay, I did that for like 5 minutes. No, I'm lying. Like 3 minutes on medium heat, and that's it. Okay, also I realized like this morning when I was like making my breakfast that like I forgot to do the jalapenos. I think there's supposed to be like jalapenos in there. So, and I have them in the fridge. I don't know why they didn't include them, okay? But I'm taking some, this is the TUNACADO part, right? So avocado, some tomatoes. I feel like I also want to put like arugula on this next time. I don't know. Here's my pesto, y'all. It just came together so beautifully. Like this is a good sandwich. It's a good moment. Like, no, I don't think you understand. You have to make this. You have to make it. I let my little chickpea tuna sit in the fridge a little bit so it can get itself together, get marinated. And I was like, I'm not really a hot lunch person, so this was perfect for me. Like, I'm definitely adding this to rotation because I don't know, I can't eat hot food dinner day. I don't know what that's about, but that's what it is. This makes me feel heavy. This makes me feel like lethargic. And I got stuff I gotta do. You got stuff you gotta do. Anyway, here she is. I'm gonna cut her down the middle. Let me show you the beauty that is the sandwich. Don't laugh at me. My bread knife was in the sink next to me. I didn't feel like washing it. So we did it with the paring knife and here we go. She's gorgeous, no? please stop playing with it. Stop playing with it. You have to let me know if you try the sandwich. You have to let me know like how it goes for you. Do you go to Joe and the Juice? Should I make other stuff? I should go on their website and see. But let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You don't miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos because you know I love videos. Thank you again, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.